What's up, everybody? My name is Dr. Josh Jagoda. Today we're going to talk a bit about strengthening the wrists and the forearms. This is going to be really important for those people who just had an injury, especially if you like coming off of a fracture or something like that, and you're starting to get out of a cast and you've been cleared through your physical therapy. You may have a lot of weakness within your arms or hands, or even somebody who's looking to strengthen up their elbows after a tennis elbow or golfer's elbow or anything, or tendonitis or tendinopathy. So all you need is a towel or some sort of, I guess you could say, a sweatshirt or anything like that. And this is called towel wringing. And all we're going to do is, just like we're wringing out a towel that's wet, we're just going to kind of come back and forth, just like this, going back and forth. So this hand is diving backwards while this one is going forward. And then you're going to switch the grips, just like this. And we're going to just do that over and over. And you can see how my forearms are starting to work. My tricep gets that extension. My bicep has to work a little bit. And you can do this until you're fatigued. If you're new to this and maybe you have a new injury, you want to have a thinner grip, just like this small little towel here. If you want something a little bit harder, you get a thicker grip, right? You maybe fold the towel in half, maybe take a larger towel and you roll it up, and then you could do this back and forth, just like this. Just coming back and forth. High repetitions, you're going to really feel a lot of tension in the forearm flexors and extensors, and I could really start to feel these start to work. And as a result of that, again, you're going to strengthen your wrists, you're going to strengthen your hands. So this is a good full upper body workout. It's not just your wrists, it's not just your hands, it's not just your forearms. You're going to strengthen your elbows and some of your triceps as well with this. So give this a try, guys. My name is Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys next time.